Welcome back to another cold email video. Today we're talking about how to get emails from websites really easily and really quickly. So let's jump in. There are a couple ways you can do it. I use SNOVIO. It's just the way I do it. It's the easiest way I find. You download basically this Chrome extension or this one for LinkedIn, and you can just get the email addresses really quickly. I have a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. Use that link if you can because it helps me a lot. So SNOVIO offers us a couple ways of doing it. The first one is actually just going into snovio.io email finder, and you can type in a company and then find emails, and it'll find you like a list of emails, and you can find these with the free trial, I believe. So you can just sign up and get that. But I find this only, I've been looking at this right now, and I've not really used this feature very much, but trying it out now, it only really works with the bigger companies. It doesn't work with, for example, me or even some bigger companies, but not like really, really big ones. It doesn't find the email address. So the better way to do it is literally download the email finder Chrome extension, which is this one here. Go to a website. So this is b2bhero.co. This is my blog, as some of you already know. I have a ton of good information, amazing blog articles about using SNOVIO or cold emailing strategies, all that kind of stuff. So check it out. But once you're on the website, you want to find the email address, just click on the extension and it literally just gives you the email there. Or if you go to like a bigger company like Woodpecker.co, this is the cold email automation system I use, and let's click on that and see what it finds. It finds, all these email addresses. Matt, Let's Go, Yuri. Yuri's one of the main guys. Vovik. So it finds all these different email addresses. So it's simple as that. You can just click there. You can make a new list. Click there, and it'll just go into SNOVIO into a list. You can either download it or then use SNOVIO itself to do an email drip. So it's just really simple. But actually, what I'd kind of test you to do is to find out who specifically you want to target and do that research on LinkedIn. So you can do with SNOVIO, again, you can do a couple different things. You can download the LinkedIn Prospect Finder extension and then go to LinkedIn, type in like marketing directors, click on people, and put in all filters, set the location, set some other filters you'd like. And then suddenly you can literally just download, if you click on the LinkedIn Prospect Finder SNOVIO extension, suddenly you've got all these people that you can just add to your list just from this list here. And you can click on that and collect literally all 100 of them, depending on what kind of subscription package you have, what kind of level you're paying for with SNOVIO. But basically you can just collect all these emails really, really quickly. What I'd really recommend though is if you do it this way and you're not doing specific lead generation or finding exactly who you're targeting, you need to clean the list out. You need to really go through that list and really understand who it is you're targeting. Because a lot of these people might not be quite right. I don't think LinkedIn always gives just the right people, even with the right filters. So definitely clean that list if you do it this way, but it's just a really easy, quick way to get a lot big list. The other option again is just to use LinkedIn, type in like woodpecker.co. And say if this is the company you want to find email addresses from, suddenly you got Matt, this is the CEO and all that kind of stuff. So here we can then click on the LinkedIn extension again, and suddenly we have all their email addresses here, and you can literally just find then the exact person you want. So say if it's just Matt, we can unclick all of these and just click on Matt and just take his email address, and that's it. Or maybe it's someone else you want within the company. So it's really quick and easy. I find just doing it from LinkedIn is actually better than from the website, because the website doesn't always have everyone's email address on it or specific people you want. So just go to LinkedIn and use this free database. So to pause really quickly, I want to tell you about this totally free 6-day cold email course that I have. It's totally free, and I put a lot of effort into this course. 6 days, 1 email a day, and it has a video and loads of information in it, just teaching how to be a master at cold email prospecting. I've put literally blood, sweat, and tears into this course. So sign up now and start receiving this course. If you found that useful, check out this next video that's popping up on 4 strategies you need to know about with cold email.